So if you're looking for ways to help heal your body, if you have lower back pain, if you pee your pants when you laugh, cough, or sneeze, or you have gut issues or not in touch with your gut instincts or your intuition, or you feel like you're constantly in a state of clutch, bearing down and white knuckling your way through life, even a tight jaw, tight shoulders, an inability to be able to breathe deep and have full expansion of your diaphragm. These are all incredible things that will become enhanced when you start working with your pelvic floor. But one of the best things that I like to explain, which is a little bit different than most of the other modalities, or if you go to see a physical therapist that's a pelvic floor physical therapist or physio, a lot of times they'll just come and go directly to the pelvic floor. But the way I look at the body, because of my background and what I've studied, structural integration and the whole work of fascia, is that everything is connected.